Hi everybody, welcome to Tootsie Cooking in the Kitchen. Today I will be fixing some baked lasagna. And in order to achieve that, you would need ground beef, spaghetti sauce, either from the store-bought or make your own, whichever it works. And your lasagna shells, some ricotta cheese, and some shredded mozzarella. Now, what a trick that I like to do with my ricotta cheese is put it in the microwave. So that way it's easy to apply and it doesn't be as thick. So, and I like to take my shells out, my pasta shells, and put them on a towel so they can pretty much dry. And here I'll just lay. And don't worry if some of your pasta shells has kind of torn apart. They can still be used. And I'll just take in layers. Okay. Take some of the hamburger. I didn't fix much hamburger because in the past when I fixed lasagna, I was just like really drowning it with the hamburger. So I'm just trying to get just a little taste of the hamburger this particular time. And your ricotta cheese, take that, put it in there. Spread it around. And you would continue to do this in layers. Okay. Take your sauce. Pour in. And just spread it out. Just keep on spreading. And then your ricotta cheese. And just sprinkle. You'll keep doing this every level. As you go up, just keep doing the same process. And just spread it around. Don't want to put too much on one layer because you want to be able to have enough for other layers. And here I go back again. And I'm just layering. And I will continue this process all the way until I get to the top. See there? All the way to the top. Take my hamburger meat. And that's pretty much it. Just layer, layer, layer. Remember again, ricotta cheese. And I'm going to finish this up and make sure that you set your oven to 325. Okay? And when you first put it in the oven, take some aluminum foil or a top, whichever your cookware is, and place it on there until it's done, until it's maybe like 10 minutes before it's done. And then take your cover off so that way the cheese and everything can be able to cook at the top. And I'll be back with the finishing. Alright everybody, just took it out the oven. Left it in about good 45 minutes. Okay, and here you go. Look at that. Fix your salad, some good old Italian bread with some butter and a little garlic on there, and you're all set. And this is how you can achieve your baked lasagna. Thanks for joining me, and I'll be talking to you back with you real soon. Bye.